Hello my friends. So due to popular demand on this recipe, I am giving you details. Okay, so last week I posted beetroot bread and just a clip from the recipe, and a lot of people were interested. So here we go. I broke in into my mixing bowl 3 fresh eggs, and that's about half cup of melted butter, then half tablespoonful of baking soda and baking powder and vinegar. So I mix it thoroughly. I usually use hand mixers. You can also just manually mix it, but the bottom line is give it a thorough mix. Okay, so as soon as we're done, you can just get your beetroot and juice it, grate it. But what I usually do is the after fiber when I juice my beetroot is what I use. So I just drink my juice fresh, and then the fiber I don't throw it away. This is what I use it to do. One of the things I use it to do anyways. So I put in the fiber of the beetroot inside, so I gave it a very good mix as you see me doing in the video. And I added 1.5 cups of multi-purpose flour or any flour of your choice. So just feel free and choose what works for you here, and gave it a very good mix. So I went ahead, I mix. Yeah, like I always say, your prepping is very, very important. It determines how good your outcome is. So don't be afraid to do a thorough prepping, okay? So when I was happy with that, I added 1/3 cup of sugar. This is optional. If you like, you might skip the sugar part. Then I added cream. Is optional too. You can add water if you like, but this is what I did. So I went ahead and mixed all that thoroughly. So if you watch, I didn't add salt because the butter I added is a salted butter. So that's why you didn't see me adding salt on its own as one of the recipe. But if you're using a non-salted butter, then you'll be adding about half a teaspoon of salt if you want. So while I'm putting this into my baking pan, I had already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So I had different temperatures for me to get a very good output. So the 350 degrees was for about 40 minutes and 300 degrees for the remaining 20 minutes. And this was the outcome. Isn't this not beautiful? Would you want to try this? Go ahead and try this and let me know your experience in the comment section. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Ngozi Atiti Vlogs, please do now. Click that red button, share, comment, and don't forget to like. I will see you in another video. And please, let's go ahead and share this video. And yeah, this can serve a slice with a cup of milk or juice. Will be very good for breakfast or for snacks, for your children, for the whole family. Okay, so remember to eat healthy and stay healthy. Eat well and stay well, because I love you from this channel. So this is me enjoying a slice of my beetroot bread with just a teaspoon of jam. And yes, I am enjoying it with a beetroot juice, just like I said from the beginning. Okay, take care. I love you. Bye bye.